line in 3, 2, 1, go!
It looks like the Mean Machine now thumbs up in the driver's station, and their robot making it to the center of the field rather quickly and unloading their hopper straight into that hub. Very, very improved Spindexer than we saw at Wilsonville. Lots of shots going up and in from the Red Alliance as well. Not as many, though, 44-30 in favor of the Blue Alliance. So, of course, the Blue Alliance hub flashing white and blue means that they're going to say goodbye to their hub in just a second here. Mean Machine, though, desperate to get a last couple of shots up and in before they lose it. Now it's the Red Alliance who is the only one who can score at the moment. And 27-33, Pigmice passing Hotwire a bunch of fuel. Hotwire still having to venture into the neutral zone, but not having to go very far. And a lot of fuel being pushed into that corner by Pigmice once again. Hotwire still going back and forth, trying to grab as much fuel as they can from that center. And Mean Machine now in the center of the field, gobbling up as much fuel as they possibly can, while also evading the defense from 59-70 Beavertronics, who are very effectively keeping Mean Machine out of their side of the field. Mean Machine going to have to find a different way in, but they managed to force their way through, and now they unload their hopper. And 59-70 Beavertronics can't quite push them hard enough that it's going to matter. Lots of shots going up and in also from Sonic Squirrels, and now it's the Red Alliance's turn. Over on the red side of the field, Hotwire shots up and in, and AO5NX unfortunately beached once again on fuel. And lots of fuel going crazily off the field by Mean Machine. Pigmice trying to play defense and also pass fuel to that Red Alliance. Some fuel getting shoved into the outpost where the human players can then throw it into their hub. It's now the Blue Alliance's turn, and Beavertronics once again on the case. They are over by the Blue Alliance robots, just creating absolute chaos on the blue side of the field, trying their best to slow down the cycles of all three of those robots. Mean Machine managing to get their cycle up and off. Sonic Squirrels, despite being up on a piece of fuel, do manage to get their fuel into the hub. Now it's endgame, 115-123, now in favor of the Red Alliance. Of course, Hotwire, the only team scoring on that red side of the field at the moment. This might be an upset here. 139-123 with 15 seconds left in this match. Can the Red Alliance hold up against the powerhouse that is Mean Machine at the moment? 7 seconds left. It's very, very close between these two alliances. Mean Machine going for a last second cycle here. 1 second. Holy cow, 1 point separating these alliances with our preliminary score. Let's see that final score. Your winner, the Blue Alliance. Just 2 points separating these two alliances, 167-165 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Very, very close, and just at the last second. Of course, those 2 points